May I ask my colleagues, beginning with the chair, Sen Coco, if they have opening statements? You have the floor, Sen Coco.
Yes. I wish this tripartite committee all the best, no? Because our mission is really to get to the bottom of this. Paano nangyari ito? May living proof tayo na may nakalabas ng Pilipinas gamit ang Philippine passport pero walang ka-record na lumabas. So we will have to get to the bottom of this. And to those directly affected like si Miss Sheila Lialgo and maybe later on si Miss Cassandra Leong, marunong naman po kayo, Ma'am Sheila, ng Tagalog at saka English, ano? Maintindihan ninyo kahit ihalo-halo namin?
English po hindi.
English hindi, Tagalog okay.
Simple lang po.
Simpleng Tagalog, opo. Relax lang po.